Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So you can see that I'm definitely not at home where I record. I'm actually at work today and I had a few minutes, so I decided I would go ahead and do a video on how to make masks more comfortable, or some of the tips and tricks that I have learned over the last several months wearing a mask. Yeah, that's part of reality now. We all have to wear masks, and me working in a hospital like I do, I wear mine usually between 5 to 8 hours a day. And I've learned a few things in regards to how to make those more comfortable. All the products that I discuss in this video, I will make sure to link down in the description box, so make sure to check those out. If you guys want to see some of the tricks that I use to make wearing a mask for hours on end a little more bearable, then make sure to stay watching. Okay, so one of the first things that I have found that makes wearing a mask a lot more comfortable, especially if you have oily skin or if you wear makeup like I do, is wearing these little face guards or mask guards called cheek sheets. Company reached out to me on Instagram several weeks ago. These are breathable mask liners. They are paper and they look like that. So it folds open and it fits inside the mask. This is what one looks like. I've been using this one for a couple days already. You can see it goes right inside the mask and it helps line the mask. Keeps your mask clean, keeps makeup off the mask. And for two, it also helps blot your skin if it's oily. It sort of eats up some of that oily excess that you have on your skin and protects your skin from the material on the mask. I really love these. They are super affordable. I do have a coupon code for these. I will also link that in the description box below for 10% off your guys' order. They're super affordable. Absolutely love these for wearing masks and making those a little more, bearable. Something new that I have just started using is the silicone face guards. Come in all different sizes. This is a medium, I think medium small. I will, like I said, link these in the description box below, but this basically just fits over your face and your mask sits on top. It's great for the medical mask, so you just slide that in and you put it under your mask. And you're still able to pinch the bridge on the nose to make it sealed, but it just gives a little bit of cushion in there for you to breathe. The mask isn't sitting directly on your face. It works great for all types of masks. You can put it in your regular cloth masks, just goes right inside, and then you can just place the mask right on top. Definitely recommend purchasing these. These are super affordable. I got these on Amazon. These are really comfortable. I've wore this several times for several hours in a row. People who complain they can't breathe, this definitely helps that. Another little tip that I have in regards to, I guess, making it easier to breathe with masks on is using good old zip ties. So I had these masks that I use all the time. As you can see, they're getting pretty wore. It's just a cloth mask. It doesn't have a lot of structure to it. So when you put it on, it sort of feels like you can't breathe, like it's suffocating a little bit. So I figured out just taking a regular zip tie, cutting it down. So this one's already cut and you can see it's sort of already formed because I've been using this. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick that inside the face mask where the seam is. So you can see I just went ahead and put that zip tie in the middle there. You can barely even see it. And that just gives it a little more shape, a little more structure. So now that when you put that mask on, it gives you some area here to breathe. It just gives it a little more structure, so there's a little more room in there so that you can actually breathe. And this has been a lifesaver. You can cut the zip ties to any size to fit any mask, as long as they have a little seam here. It's just, just to sort of stick it in, and then you could just pop it right off, and it's that easy. It has been a lifesaver. So another trick that's been super helpful is using ear guards. Now these come in all different shapes, sizes, colors, forms. Basically this goes behind your neck and the mask just sort of goes on these little areas here. So instead of that sitting behind your ear, it just sits behind your neck. I'll go ahead and strap it on and you guys can see. So you can see that that just saves your ears from being pulled and tugged on. It sits comfortable on your neck. And definitely has been a huge saver, especially when you're wearing a lot of masks. So you're wearing masks all day long, it starts to sort of pull on your ears. not super comfortable. But these little ear guards, you can get all different kinds. I'll link a few that I have in the description box below, and you guys can try those. You can do that same thing that the ear guard did with paper clips. You just put your mask on there like that, and then you can just paper clip that behind your neck. You can interlink a couple paper clips together just to give yourself extra space, and again, that saves your ears from being, you know, pulled and tugged on all day. I've seen that helps people, this is more for smell or relaxation, is using essential oils inside your mask, just using a little squirt of essential oils. So I got this essential oil kit off of Amazon, of course, and it has all different kinds in here. In this kit, it shows what's good for what. So there's peppermint, tea tree, lemongrass. We also have orange, eucalyptus, and lavender. So a lot of these essential oils are good for calming, relaxation, digestive care. Even some of these are good for skincare. So if you're having issues with breakouts and things like that, you could do a little bit of lemongrass on there. Eucalyptus also helps for skincare, just a tiny little bit, maybe mixing it with water and just spritzing a little bit of that inside your mask, helping with skincare, with scent. Peppermint oil is good for mental health, so definitely recommend getting a little kit for masks. If you guys like these little tips and tricks just to sort of make your masks a little more bearable to wear, if you guys have any tricks that you guys use, link them down below. I'd love to try some new tips. Like I said, I wear a mask all day, every day, so any little tip and trick helps. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to check out my other mask related videos here.